everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to grade and return assignments inside Google Classroom. Google's built-in grading dashboard is a massive time saver because it lets you view files, leave feedback, and input marks all from a single window. So first, go to your Classroom tab, then open the assignment you want to look at. Then click on the Review Work button. And as you can see, a whole new page appears just for grading and reviewing the student's work. Now, look at the center of your screen to read through the student submitted document. To save time, you can click the drop-down arrow next to the student's name at the very top of the window to switch directly to the next student without having to close out or open multiple browser tabs. Next, move over to the right-hand panel and type the student's score into the grade. Then, at the private comments box below the grade section, type out personalized feedback. Then click Post to save your comment. Finally, look at the top right corner of the window. Click on the blue Return button to click the submission return. Returning the project officially pushes the final score and private feedback to the student's dashboard so they can review their completed evaluation. And that's it. Thanks for watching.